Hi everyone, and welcome to this week's edition of the AI Shift. And the AI Shift is a weekly 15-minute strategy session designed for business owners who want clarity, not complexity. Whether you're stuck in tool overload, scattered workflows, or just unsure where to start, this is where strategy meets execution. It's designed to reset your week, sharpen your thinking, and turn AI from hype into help. Hi everyone, my name is Craig and it's very good to be with you today for another edition of the AI Shift. And this week we're going to talk about the AI problem that isn't an AI problem. So let's jump into it. Over the past year, over the past 6 months, we've all seen an explosion in AI. There's been new tools, new models, new agents, new possibilities, new applications, everything. The change is fast and dramatic. And yet many business owners are saying the same thing. We tried AI, but it didn't really work. So today I want to ask a different question. What if the problem isn't AI? What if AI is simply exposing problems your business already had? So let's jump into that. Because every business wants AI to create better results. We want it to be faster, better, excellent, smarter, whatever. But AI doesn't work in isolation. It works inside your business. It doesn't pick things out of mid-air or pick them from the proverbial. It works inside your business. So if your business has clear priorities, defined processes, consistent standards, and good decision making, AI can accelerate those strengths. But if your business has unclear priorities, inconsistent processes, constant interruptions, poor communication, AI will accelerate those too. It doesn't differentiate. It doesn't say this is good, this is bad. It treats them all the same way. And that's the shift. AI doesn't create organizational problems. It will expose them. So it doesn't create organizational problems. It just exposes them, and exposes them a lot quicker and a lot faster than was the case before. So here's the myth we're going to look at this week in this episode about better AI creates better businesses. It must be easy to believe because everyone tells you that AI is doing this and AI is doing this and it's going to do this. Buy the latest model, use the better prompts, build more automations. But in reality, technology doesn't fix weak business foundations. It will simply operate within them. So imagine you're giving two businesses exactly the same AI platform. One sees dramatic improvement, the other sees frustration. Was the AI different? No. You gave them exactly the same AI. The business was different. Because AI will amplify clarity just as much as it will amplify chaos. The choice is yours. So why it matters? Why does this matter? Because many businesses today are just solving the wrong problems with AI. They ask, what AI tool should we buy? Instead of asking, what business problem are we trying to solve? If nobody owns a decision today, AI won't magically create ownership. If your process is unclear, AI won't magically clear it up for you and create clarity. If priorities change every week, AI will simply move faster in different directions. So if you're zigzagging going from here to here, AI will just go faster for you. The quality of your AI depends on the quality of your business. So AI will accelerate the business you already have. If you don't have direction, you don't have clear ownership of decisions, if you don't have clear processes, if you don't have clear standards, and if you don't have clear criteria, Excuse me, I just needed to make a note of something. And that's what happens when you're doing something about, and when you're talking about AI, which I find if you're talking to someone, it will clear up something that maybe you're doing, which I hope this does for you, gives you some clarity. So let's make this practical. So imagine a business wants AI to improve customer service. But there are no service standards. There's no escalation rules. There's no agreed response times. There's no clear ownership. What will AI do? It will just work within what your current business structure is. The AI isn't the problem. The business hasn't decided what good customer service looks like. You haven't set the guardrails. You haven't set the perimeters. You haven't set when something gets escalated, when something just gets fixed straight away. Now imagine using AI to create marketing content. No one agrees on the target audience. Today this is the target audience, tomorrow is the target audience. No one agrees on the positioning. We want to be premium, we want to be budget, we want to be day to day. No one has agreed on the brand voice. Not only the brand voice, one thing that we've uncovered and working on is your brand point of view. No one is clear on the message that your company wants to communicate. So AI doesn't solve that confusion, it reflects it. AI cannot automate decisions your business hasn't made. So the real opportunity is this, and we've spoken about company brain, is you shouldn't start with AI. Start with clarity. Not with more AI, with clarity. Build clarity around your priorities, your processes, your decision rules, your standards, and your ownership. Then you bring AI into that environment because AI performs best when the business already knows what good looks like. When you have a clear understanding of your business standards, your criteria, then AI can help. Clarity creates leverage. AI will accelerate that. So your one question this week to work on, to ask yourself, if we removed AI tomorrow, what business problem would still exist? So would you still have inconsistent decisions? Would you still have unclear priorities? Would you still have duplicated work? Poor communication or constant firefighting? If they're not clear in your business, if you're not clear on what they are within your business, then AI can't solve them for you. It will just accelerate what is going on. So if you do have those issues in your business, you need to focus your attention there first. So what we're proposing this week is you just have one simple action. Choose one challenge your business hopes AI will solve. Now ask, is this actually an AI problem? Or is it a clarity problem? Is it a process problem? Is it an ownership problem? Is it a decision problem? Is it you not being clear on your business, your sales process, your sales scripts, your products, your marketing? So identify the real constraint, because once that's clear, AI will become much easier for you to implement. Fix the business first, then let AI accelerate what you want to do. No use having AI run your email outreach, your cold email outreach if you have that, if you're not clear on what you want to do and what you want to communicate and how often you want to run it and what message you want to provide. So what we're proposing and saying, businesses often believe they need more AI. Many simply need more focus. AI isn't your strategy. AI isn't your operating model. And AI isn't your leadership. AI will strengthen what already exists. AI doesn't determine your direction. It will accelerate the direction you've already chosen. So if you're confused, if you're going around in circles, if you're today this and tomorrow that and then the next day another thing, then AI is going to accelerate that for you. And that's the shift. Be clear on what you are about and then look to how you will implement AI in your business to accelerate that for you. So next week, we're going to look at why so many AI projects never move beyond the pilot. There's heaps of studies and heaps of feedback and heaps of things in different size organisations having an AI pilot and then scrapping it because they haven't seen a return. And we're going to look at that and what it takes to turn experimentation into real business capability. But before next week and before you can jump into that, be clear on what you want AI to do in your business. Have a look at what we proposed. After today's session, on Thursday, on Friday, or on Saturday, take some time to sit down and see what your business is doing and what you're clear about before you apply AI. Thank you for your attendance. Please leave us a message, note, or comments below so that we can get your feedback to improve our performance. And if there's topics or subjects you want us to cover in future editions, please let us know. I hope you've got something from that, and I hope you'll take some time to be clear about your business and how AI will be used within your business. But thank you again for your time. It's been a pleasure to be with you today, presenting another edition of the AI Shift. I look forward to catching up with you next